Shalom family, welcome back to Wake Up Jacob, the place where we uncover the hidden truths they never wanted us to know. Every week, we break down the scriptures and bring forth the knowledge that has been stolen, distorted, and kept from Yahawah's chosen people. Today, we're exposing yet another mystery. Why was the Book of Tobit removed from the Bible? Was it simply a decision made by church leaders, or is there a deeper reason tied to our identity as the true people of the book? Fam, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why they didn't want us reading this, and how the wisdom in Tobit is more relevant to us today than ever before. First, let's break down what the Book of Tobit is about. Tobit was an Israelite from the tribe of Naphtali who was living in captivity under the Assyrians. Despite being exiled, he remained faithful to Yahawah's laws, keeping the dietary commandments, burying the dead in secret, and giving to the poor. His son, Tobias, goes on a journey where he meets the angel Raphael, who guides him to a miraculous healing and a righteous marriage. This book isn't just a story, it's a record of how our ancestors lived righteously even in captivity. And family, doesn't that sound familiar? We too are living in a land of captivity today, still waking up to who we are. Now, let's get into why this book was taken out. Originally, Tobit was part of the Septuagint, the Greek translation of the Hebrew scriptures. But when the Protestant Reformation happened in the 1500s, this book, along with others, was removed from many Bibles. 3 key reasons why Tobit was removed. 1. It wasn't in the Masoretic text. The Protestant reformers favored the Masoretic Hebrew text, which excluded books that were in the Greek Septuagint. But we know that the Septuagint was widely used by our ancestors, including Yahawah himself. 2. Tobit teaches righteous works. This book emphasizes obeying the law, giving alms, and righteousness. But the Christian church pushed the doctrine of faith alone, making them reject anything that emphasized works. 3. It exposes our captivity and redemption. The Book of Tobit shows that Israel was in captivity and needed to return to Yahawah. It tells of an angel guiding an Israelite family toward healing and restoration. Now, think about it, family. Why would those who ruled over us want us to know about a book that speaks of an angel helping our people? They would rather keep us blind. They took it out because it reminds us that even in captivity, we are Yahawah's chosen and He has not forgotten us. So, what can we take from this book today? Let's look at a few powerful lessons from Tobit. Faithfulness in captivity. Just like Tobit obeyed Yahawah's laws while in Assyria, we must keep His commandments while in this land of our captivity. Deuteronomy 30 verses 1 to 3. The role of angels. The book reminds us that Yahawah's angels still guide and protect His people. Psalms 91 verse 11. Obedience and restoration. Tobias was rewarded with a righteous wife and blessings because he followed Yahawah's instructions. Tobit 8:4-7. Family. We are in the last days, and knowledge is increasing. Daniel 12 verse 4. They removed these books to keep us disconnected from our heritage. But the Most High is waking us up. It's time to reclaim what was lost and return to the truth. If this video gave you insight, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a brother or sister who needs to wake up. Drop a comment below. Have you read the Book of Tobit? What are your thoughts on why they removed it? Also, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're bringing the truth out, one video at a time. Until next time, fam, stay strong, stay in the Word, and remember, wake up, Jacob.